Hey, it's Sean at Wizardline Technologies, and today I am excited to give you a first look at the team member API that is coming to the Wizardline website. What this is going to allow you to do is to update your Pulse team member files directly from the Wizardline website. Will no longer be a need to dial into each store or visit each store to update things such as name, address, pay rates, expiration dates. All of that can now be handled directly on the site and will be written down to Pulse in real time. So if you have a driver who can't clock in because he has an expired driver's license, you can update it directly from the site. It will instantly become active in Pulse and they'll be able to clock in. So let's just give a quick overview of how this system will work. The look and feel of this might change a little bit over time. There'll also be additional features and tabs that will get added to it as well. But it is designed to mirror the exact look of your Pulse team member file interface. So using very similar tabbings and structures, you can see the information in a format that is familiar to you. And so here we see how I've pulled myself up on the Pulse system, and let's go ahead and find myself within my system. So you can just scroll through the list if you want, click on a team member, or you can use the filter options at the top of each column. So now that we found myself, it will load the information that we have on the team member. So here we see my nickname is Dominoid. Let's go to the Pulse store, and in Pulse, my nickname is also Dominoid. So let's go ahead and change that. We're going to change that to The Wizard and click on the Update button. It says Update Employee Succeeded. So now when we go to the Pulse system, we see that the change is instantly reflected in the team member file. You can do that for virtually any field. There are some fields which you cannot update through the API. It's just it's a limitation of what it is. A few of them are so you can't update social security number or employee codes, passwords, things like that. But you can update pretty much all the important stuff. So let's just check out license. So currently my license expires in 2022. So let's make that 2023 just so you can see that expiration dates can be updated as well. So February 7th, 2023, click on Update, Succeeded, and that is reflected in the Pulse system as well. So again, personal information, expirations. You can let's change my status here. I'm currently terminated. So let's go to that's on hiring info. Let's make myself active again and update. And we will see now on Pulse, we actually have to close out of the team member file and then reopen it. We will see that I am now an active employee again. So change some pay rates. Sure. Let's give myself a merit raise. So my skill level has improved and I want to pay myself $10 starting next Monday and update position. And that has now been written back to Pulse. That's under action events, job skill pay changes. So we see on the 7th, I will be receiving a pay rate change from $0 per hour to $10 per hour, which naturally we don't want to do. So let me go ahead and change that back. So I'm just going to kind of undo the exact change that I just did. And you can see how all of that is written back instantly to the Pulse system. So this will be coming and testing in the next few days. If you're interested in testing out this feature, just let us know. And it will be widely available to the entire user base very shortly. So for now, it kind of mirrors the Pulse interface. We will be adding, I'll probably add another tab. There's some additional fields on some of those other tabs that we can update as well. And then in addition to that, I'll be creating just some easier stuff. For example, I'm just going to make a grid with just the expirations. So you can mass update expirations with a click of a button rather than kind of having to hunt and peck through a list of team members. So hopefully you enjoyed this demo. If you're interested in testing this out, look for an email shortly and just let me know that you would like to be one of the testers. Thank you.